Hello everybody, today we will discuss why you should learn data structures and algorithms. Now we will see real world applications and real world softwares where these data structures and algorithms were used. If you see Google search engine, I will just type IPL here. Yeah, so if you see within the time span of 0.334 seconds, we got so many results here and the speed with it is able to display results for us. So Google search engine is able to do this job because of data structures. So one of the main reasons why this much speed and accuracy of the data we are getting is because the underlying technology, one of the technology used behind this is data structures and algorithms concepts. Next we see Azure. So if you see here, it offers more than 200 and plus products. For example, compute. If you see compute, we have virtual machines and app service. Under databases, we have Azure SQL and AI and machine learning. So it is able to offer these many products and services to us because one of the underlying technology used to do this is data structures and algorithms. Yeah, so next we see Twitter, and we also have Amazon Prime, and we have OpenAI, other AI, and AWS. Here also we see a lot of services with high speed. And next we see Mac OS and Linux OS. Using these data structures and algorithms concepts from computer science, these softwares and applications, they are able to achieve high speed as well as data precision, like data retrieval and also data saving in the databases and systems. Okay, so now we see what are data structures and algorithms. Yeah, so if you see the left side, we have data structure. Under this, we have linked list, queues, stack, array, heap, and finally tree. So these all concepts will come under data structure, which mainly use it to manipulate the data and retrieve the data and store the data. And the right side, if you see pattern searching, divide and conquer, sorting, greedy, recursion, mathematical and dynamic programming. So these concepts will come under algorithm, which is algorithm means like step-by-step process to achieve particular task. And data structure mainly is like how you store the data, how fast you store the data, how fast you retrieve the data, and how fast you manipulate the data and organize the data. So depending upon the scenario in these organize and retrieve the data and type of data, we use this different concept from the data structures. Till now we saw what are data structures and where these data structures were used in real world applications. Now answering the question why we should learn data structures and algorithms. The first one is efficiency. For example, if you want to add 10 numbers, it might take maybe 1 second. But if you want to add 1 billion numbers, it might take maybe 1 minute. So by using these data structures, we will get the efficiency, like in less time, we will be able to add those 1 billion numbers. Once you learn these data structures and algorithms, you will get problem solving skills. For any problem, you will be able to analyze the problem clearly and understand the problem clearly and write clear code to achieve those problem. So this DSA, which is data structures and algorithms, will teach you all these problem solving skills. The next is interviews. If you want to get into any one of these big tech companies, you must and should learn data structures. You should be very good at data structures and algorithms to get into place to get a job in these big companies. Because in every interview, like big tech companies, they will 100% ask questions and problems from these data structures and algorithms. The next one is better understanding of language. So if we have these many languages like Python, Java, JavaScript. So if you want to get better understanding of the Python and its libraries, so if you start learning data structures in the Python, it will give us opportunity to do deep dive into Python and learn more concepts, so that if a new problem comes, we will be able to write the syntax and have a better approach to solving that problem using the Python or any language of this kind. Next, if you see, if we want to develop advanced applications, for example, if you see here, this is YouTube. So if you click like shorts, videos, unwatched, watched, and recently uploaded and live, so how quickly the data is coming for us. So this is happening because the underlying technology which YouTube is using is data structures and algorithms, as well as it is using other technologies as well. But this data structures and algorithms is must to develop these kind of high-end and fast response applications. In future, I will be creating a video series on data structures and algorithms programs. Each and every concept which you see here, for example, a tree or maybe linked list, I will be creating 6 to 7 videos, like two medium and basic and also advanced programs to explain better about this linked list and where we use this linked list and when to use this linked list uh, in advanced applications and in practically where we use these concepts. Similarly, algorithms also, searching. So I will be creating videos on this searching related to programs. So when to use this searching and how to use this searching practically in future advanced applications. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video if you really like it, and support me for the future videos. Thanks.